I first started, I just viewed it as a job, but seeing all the growth opportunities and positions that comes available with this company, it has definitely turned into a career.
If you want to learn it, they're going to teach you it. So you can climb up the ladder just as well as me.
I think it's a great opportunity to come here. If you're looking for longevity, I think Medline is the job for you.
I've been over there 9 years. It's a great company with a lot of benefits, a lot of rooms for improvement, a lot of promotion, all that good stuff.
The company here they care. They really do.
We try to make sure that we have machines that are capable, but really it's the people that drive the results. A team that works together is able to do a lot of things, not only have fun and make good product, but also push each other and try to strive to be better, promoting each other, encouraging each other.
Everybody's friendly, coming to work with a smile on their face.
This is a wonderful job because you can start from lower level and you can work your way up.
I actually started out as a machine operator 1. Then I became machine operator 2, did some time, learned the machine, and moved up to the lead position when the position came available.
I think everyone here has an opportunity for that same advancement, but it takes drive and a willing to learn. I take pride in my job because I look at it like, hey, my parents or grandparents or someone can be wearing this same product that we're making. So I just try to make sure we always in quality standards when we're making product.
Just give it a shot, and you're gonna love it.
Apply, because it's a growing business, and everybody needs medical supplies.
Once you come through the doors, we all basically family.
There's a lot to gain from Medline. I can tell you for myself, I've seen a lot of growth in the company. I've seen a lot of stability in the company. I've seen a lot of opportunity in the company. I've seen a lot and met a lot of good people in the company. So it's definitely a place that you want to be and grow with. Jump on board, and I guarantee you'll enjoy it.